Hello. Today we are going to try out a new axe sharpening puck. It is a Wisemen, W-I-S-E-M-E-N. I got it off of Amazon. It's got a rough grit and a smooth grit. So we're going to go ahead and give that a try. We got my little marbles cam packs. Let's go ahead and use my little file. Make sure there's no burrs on that thing real quick like. One thing I like about these marbles axes, they actually got a really good grind on them. So when you get them, you don't have to sit there with a file and take a whole bunch of the metal off. They already got a really good grind on them, and they come decently sharp. So let's go ahead and finish. As you can see, these files actually get it broke down really fast. Get that rusty spot off of there. Some people like to just use a file and get their edge, but if you want them really sharp, we're going to go ahead and get that puck going and see. And don't forget, water. Some people just spit on them, but that's kind of a little gross if you're going to do it on camera. Kind of don't want to see somebody else's spit. If you look, you'll see the water actually absorbs right into that stone. There it goes. I don't know if you can see it or not, but these stones actually will absorb the water. And you want to make sure they're wet. Alright, let's go ahead. Got a piece of paper here, let's see what it does. Yeah, it ain't gonna get a little cut, but nothing to be too excited about. So let's go ahead and get this puck working. It looks like the green is the coarser grit, and the grayish, bluish is the fine. Let's get that going. One thing about these you'll notice when you start using them, you get a little bit of a black residue on there, and that is the metal coming off. And that actually helps get that sharpened up. Or after you use your stone on one side, you'll notice on the opposite side you'll get a little bit of a hook there. And what that's doing is, as it's shaving off the metal here, it's folding it over. And then you do the opposite side and you work off that hook. And then you'll get your blade or your edge. Right there, I can feel a little bit of a hook right there. Alright, let's flip that over. Let's see if we can take that off. I'm going to go ahead and roll it over and use the fine grit. What do we got? Oh yeah, there's getting to be a pretty decent edge on that. Wash off some of that grit that's on there. Alright, let's go ahead and check if we got any sharpness on that. Trying to figure out a way to hold this thing so I can still have it on camera. Alright, let's hold it like this. Grab the paper, pull it nice and taut, and drag it across there. Oops. Kind of ripped, I pulled too hard. There we go. If you rip it, you notice it's got really jagged edges, but where I was cutting it, it's pretty straight, which means it's the blade cutting it and it's not me ripping it. This is what it looks like when you rip it. Lots of jagged edges and stuff. That's what the blade was doing. So that Wisemen puck actually works really good. Oops. Got my paper a little wet there. Let's double fold it and see. There we go. Put some real force in it. Look at how straight that cut is. Look at the edge. Perfect. That's what you want to see. Yeah. There you go. Definitely sharp. Can you shave with it? Yeah, no. If I did a little more work on it, it would probably get quite a bit sharper, but you can see it's cutting paper now. So it's plenty sharp. Take it to your firewood or get your kindling chopped up, whatever you need it for. Definitely works. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.